All right, so today we're gonna install some running boards on the F-150. I do like the stock ones that it comes with. They're simple, they're essentially painted to match, so it looks really, really clean aesthetic that I like. The thing that had me considering different running boards was the fact that the step is actually positioned really high. It's almost like you're stepping into the truck anyway, where it's not providing some of that relief where you don't have to be stepping up so high just to get inside the cab. Personally, for me, it's not that big of a deal. But if you have, kids, maybe you have a young kid trying to get into the rear cab, that step might be a little bit high for them. If you have somebody who's a little bit higher up in age, they're not as flexible, that step might be more difficult as well. The running boards I'm installing today, these are from OEDRO, and these are a slightly lower step, but it also has 3 just kind of platform steps, which are essentially at the same level as the stock running boards. That drop in the step is a little bit lower, so it makes it a little more accommodating so you don't have to step up as high. We'll jump into the unboxing. It's pretty straightforward. It's the running boards as well as the installation hardware, but let's get into it. The finish is textured. Yeah, I mean, it definitely is. It's not slippery. Let's see here. So on the underside of like right here, it does feel much more slick as opposed to the surfaces where you're obviously gonna step. Yeah, these are definitely more textured on the top side here, but yeah, this underside of the bar, you can actually kind of feel this difference. Despite it looking very similar, it is much smoother on this underside compared to the top. So I don't know if they're treating it different or if there's something they do additionally, but yeah, it does feel more textured.
All right, so the factory brackets here, and then one more, there's 2 on each side.
Step 1, locate mounting positions each side, remove the paint buildup on the factory threaded studs, clean the seal and dirt around the mounting positions. Step 2, attach support arm to the bracket base and secure with 2 M8 hex bolts, 4 M8 flat washers, 2 M8 lock washers, and M8 hex nuts. Repeat to assemble all brackets. Do not fully tighten. Driver left side bracket as shown. And the support arms are labeled left and right. Step 2, attaching the support arms to the base bracket. Pretty straightforward. You take the M8s using the zinc washers, one on either side. I got the locking washer right after the zinc one, and then the nut. Just do that on all 6 of them. Step 3, attach bracket. It's supposed to be assembly. Attach bracket assembly to the inner rocker panel. Feed the factory studs through the holes on the mounting bracket. Secure the mounting bracket with 3 M8 flat washers, 3 M8 lock washers, and 3 M8 hex nuts. Repeat to install all brackets. Do not fully tighten. So again, do not fully tighten yet. Step 4, with assistance, lift and attach the step bar to brackets. Secure the step bar or on brackets using 6 M10 hex bolts, 12 flat washers, and lock washers, as well as hex nuts. Repeat to install the other side step bar. Last step, tighten M8 hex bolts and nuts on the vehicle side with 15 foot-pound torque. Adjust the step bar to level and tighten M10 nuts with 30 feet-pounds. And then after the step bar installed, periodic check to ensure all mounting hardware remains secure and tight. So that is the installation of the OEDRO running boards for my F-150. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you guys want to check some out for yourselves. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below as well. I'll answer them as best I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.